What is the main function of enzymes in food science? The answer is to catalyze chemical reactions. Which type of starch is commonly used as a thickening agent in cooking? The answer is amylose. What is the term for the process by which yeast ferments sugars to produce ethanol and carbon dioxide? The answer is fermentation. Which of the following food additives is used as a gelling agent in jams and jellies? The answer is pectin. What is the term for the process by which water moves through a plant, from the roots to the leaves, and is then released into the air as water vapor? The answer is transpiration. Which type of sugar is commonly used in baking because it dissolves easily and provides a light texture? The answer is granulated sugar. What is the term for the process by which bacteria convert sugars into lactic acid, producing yogurt or sour cream? The answer is fermentation. Which of the following food additives is used as a stabilizer in ice cream and whipped cream to prevent separation? The answer is gum arabic. What is the term for the process by which heat energy is transferred from one substance to another, through direct contact between particles of the two substances? The answer is conduction. Which type of fat is commonly used in baking because it provides a light and tender texture, but can also make baked goods more dense if overused? The answer is butter. If you enjoyed this quiz, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment your score below.